Hello friends, this R can be used as a calculator. You can perform all basic arithmetic and algebraic computation as you can do in calculator. All arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, even power that can be done using this R software. I will demonstrate how you can do such computations here in using R software. You need to write your commands here and then you run it. Suppose I want to write here like I want to add 20 plus 35. Then I run it. This is going to 55. Suppose you want 100 minus 29. Your result is 71. Similarly, if you want to 29 into 35, 37, so this is going to give you the result 1073. Similarly, if you want to obtain 10 to the power, it means 10 power 2 and run it, this is going to be 100. So similarly, like you can the all sorts of like if you want division, 100 divided by 20, this is going to be 5. And it also take care parenthesis. Suppose you are writing 1 minus 2 into 3 and you are running it, you are getting minus 5, but here is no rule of parenthesis, so you need to put bracket here. Suppose it means 1 minus 2 multiplied with 3, this is, you can see, which is minus 3. And similarly, you can do all sorts of calculation, simple and complex calculation, what you usually do using a calculator. Right now I will show you how there are several mathematical functions are working, or that is also available in R. So you can also use that. Suppose you want to obtain square root is QRT square root of 16, which is going to be 4. Similarly, if you want to obtain the value of pi, which is a mysterious number, so this is going to 3.141593. Similarly, other mathematical function, like suppose you want to obtain sine pi, so this is going to be, actually sine pi is 0, so this value is by default you are getting e power minus 16, which is very small number, which is, you can say this is 0. And similarly, suppose you want to obtain the exponential value of 1, so which is 2.718. Similarly, if you want to obtain factorial 4, this is equal to 24. Similarly, others, like if you want to get the value of log 10, you run it, this is 2.302585. Here the by default base is e. Suppose you want log 10 and base is equal to also 10, so see the value is 1. Or simply you can just write like this also, log 10 it will understand that you are also giving base 10. This is the same way, the same command can be written in another way also. This is equal to 1. Okay, let me do some more. Like, suppose you want square root of minus 4. What is happening? Okay, you are getting none, NaN, which is means not a number, since you are trying to obtain a square root of a negative number. So similarly, suppose you are interested to obtain square root of 4, and suppose you have forgotten to give the right bracket. So you see here is incomplete, you are getting a plus sign, so your command is incomplete, so that's why it is not being executed. So what you need to complete it, then only it is going to be executed. So right now you can see, because if you give right now you run, you will get your result. So you can also do you can also generate sequence using our software. It means suppose you want to generate 1 to 100 sequence. So just what you do, you write 1:100, then you will easily, it's very easy to generate sequence like 1 2 3 4 till 100. That in the similarly you can do also in the reverse way. Suppose you want 100 to 1, you just put 100:1, you will find the reverse way. But sometimes what you need sequence with certain length or difference. Like suppose I want 1 3 5, like difference is 2, then I can write seq sequence 1,100 by 2. So this will give me like 1 3 5 7 this way. Or else what I can do, just suppose I need that difference is 5, so I can get that, just see 1 6 11 16, in this way I can get my sequence. Sometimes this same can be done just without seq. You can write 1,100, just write 10 or 5. It will understand, it will give you same without by equal to 5. If you don't mention that, it will understand you are intended to obtain the sequence with interval 5. Okay, so in this way you can generate sequence using your R software. So next thing is, suppose you want to repeat or replicate, like you want to repeat 5 6 times. So just write rep 5,6, you will get 5 6 times. Similarly, suppose you want also this also can be written like rep 5 times equal to 6. This also you are getting the same thing. So this is the way you, in a different forms, how you can write your command. Once you write, then you run it, you will find what you are trying to obtain. And most you can also generate or repeat like number, you can also repeat vector also. So in order to enter data vectors, I mean to enter the data, like suppose I say in a data in a vector form, so in that case we have to assign. It means but because it is often convenient to name a value so that we can use it later. Doing so is called assignment. Assignment is a straightforward, I mean we can put a name in the left hand and give the value. So like suppose I say x takes value 4. I have given or value 4 to x. If I run it, then I call x, so it will show you 4. Similarly, suppose your x takes value 4, 5, 6. So in that sense, I can write in this way, like I have to use a C combine or concatenate function, like C bracket what I said 4, 5 and 6. So if I run here, you will find just call it x, you will find 4, 5, 6. So right now what I want to say, using this replicate function, rep function, repeat function, we can also, this vector can be repeated. Like if I write rep in bracket c 4, 5 and 6, how many times? Suppose 6 times. So you see 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, it's 6 times. I mean this can be used to repeat a vector also, or this can, you can also, you can do like rep bracket x comma 6. So this will work, do the same thing, because x you have already mentioned as a data vector, assigning value like 4, 5, 6.